Hello students, welcome to this series of science lessons. In this chapter, we will study about community games. Can you imagine your life without playing anything? Just study, eat, sleep. If that would be your routine, how boring your life would be. We need entertainment, we need games to enjoy your life to full extent. We play in a community, right? You play with your friends. The community has given rise to games to relax and spend free time. Games are the activities that people have formed for entertainment and physical exercises. You feel yourself relaxed while playing games, right? Once you play game, come home, eat food, study for some time, and you will sleep peacefully, right? This physical exercises makes our body relaxed and we sleep peacefully, right? Games have definitely increased harmony in the community. Games made us to live together in spite of many wins and losses. After studying this lesson, we are able to know the importance of games and exercises and get introduced to adventure games. This is interesting. Physical and mental health will develop if games and yoga exercises are done regularly. Our body will be strong and weight of body can be maintained by regular physical exercises, and our body will also look beautiful and fit. Free time will be utilized beneficially. We will be happy and active most of the time when we play physical games. Are only we benefited from games? It's not just about our community. National and international games helps build friendship and cooperation with each states and even countries, which helps to improve the bond between different countries. The best example of this is Olympics games. Here are some of the picture. Can you identify some of the adventurous games here? This is skydiving. This is rock climbing. Here people are river rafting. This person is cycling in a wonderful mountain. This person trying to climb the rocky mountain. These games are adventurous, right? Yes, it is. Games which provide excitement and special experience with special physical competence are called adventurous games. When we play some adventurous games, we feel our heart is pumping and we feel scared for a moment and also thrilled at the same time. These types of games are called as adventurous games. These games include many challenges to reach a goal. Generally, adventurous games are played in not common situations. Such games offer better happiness, determination, and willingness to face dangers, and we will improve mental stability, physical fitness. Moreover, it is very entertaining. But they are definitely dangerous games. Hence, we should proceed with caution. We should not participate in such games without proper training and guidance. Before participating in such games, all necessary special equipments to protect ourselves like helmets and many other gears are required, and we should develop skills to play such games. We must behave with a lot of patience and we should have responsibility in such situations. We must prepare well and gain sufficient experience to face the threat, to face the danger, harm when we are playing such adventurous games. If there is a team involved in the games, we must cooperate with each other. Here are some pictures given in the textbook, which is our some of the native adventurous games. This is a tug of war. Here people are playing dangal, or we can call it as kusti. Did you know this? The highest peak in the world in terms of height is Mount Everest. Was first climbed by Edmund Hillary, and Tenzing Norgay. This is the first documented people ever climbed the Mount Everest. And one more interesting fact to note about is Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. Here you can see Bachendri Pal. She is the first Indian woman documented to climb the Mount Everest. There are many people who climbed the Mount Everest and many other mountains which are not yet recorded. The content of this video is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.